nearly baptized your bike at the gas station? Today I'll show you how not to do that. Lake Forest, California mountains, lovely roads, and yes, fuel. Quick drive to the station. Pro tip: never feel right after a blast on the freeway. Let the bike cool a bit, nobody wants a hot tank drama. Kickstand down, bike stable. Always kill the engine, helmet off. If you want everyone at the station to meet your beautiful forehead, I don't want that, so it's on. Open your filler. Insert the nozzle, and you can see I'm pressing this nozzle again and again. The gas is not coming out. The reason for that is you have to do one thing. If you want to fill the gas in your motorcycle, you have to press the rubber that is at the front of the nozzle, like I'm showing in this video. So when you will do that, you will be able to fill your gas. Please, can you subscribe? I need subscriber. I will really appreciate it. After you finish, wait a second for the drip to stop. Enjoy the ride, obey local speed like I'm doing. Like and subscribe. If this saved your paint job, comment below your weirdest pump fail. Ride safe and don't baptize your bike. Thank you.